Let's now explore Principle 8 of green chemistry, which focuses on avoiding unnecessary derivatization.
Unnecessary derivatization such as blocking group, protection, deprotection, temporary modification should be avoided whenever possible. Derivatization involves modifying a molecule by adding or altering functional groups to protect sensitive sites or to facilitate a reaction.
Common examples include the use of protecting groups to shield reactive functional groups from unwanted reactions during synthesis.
The use of protecting groups often requires additional reagents and steps, adding significant time and cost to a synthetic procedure, leading to the generation of waste products. Increasing the complexity of reaction pathway and thereby making it more difficult to optimize and control synthesis.
First, let's look at the traditional method commonly used in organic synthesis.
Consider this molecule with multiple reactive functional groups, for example, OH, NH2, and COH. One functional group, such as hydroxyl group, is protected using a protecting group PG, so that it doesn't react during the next step. The desired reaction is then carried out on another functional group while the protected group remains inactive. After the reaction, the protecting group is removed to restore the original functional group. We finally obtain the desired product, but only after multiple steps. This method has several disadvantages. It involves more steps. It requires extra reagents, increasing cost. It generates more chemical waste.
It leads to greater complexity and makes optimization harder. Overall, this approach is longer, more expensive, and less sustainable. Now let's look at the greener alternative. We start with the same molecule containing multiple reactive groups.
Instead of protecting groups, we design smarter direct reactions to obtain the same product by any one or all of the following methods. Selecting reaction conditions that are compatible with sensitive functional groups. For instance, catalysts and enzymes often perform specific transformations under mild conditions, allowing for selective reactions without the need for protecting groups. Employing reagents that selectively react with specific functional groups can eliminate the need for protection. For example, using mild conditions or reagents that do not affect sensitive moieties can allow for direct transformations. Designing one-pot reactions that combine multiple steps into a single process can reduce the need for protecting groups and minimize waste.
This approach streamlines the synthesis and can improve overall efficiency.
We obtain the same desired product, but with fewer steps and higher efficiency. This approach offers major advantages. It is a shorter process, cost-effective, and minimizes waste.
The key idea of Principle 8 is to design reactions to be direct, selective, efficient, and avoid protecting groups whenever possible. By doing this, we have alternative pathways for reactions with fewer steps, lesser waste, lower costs, higher efficiency, and more environmentally friendly and sustainable.
We make chemical processes cleaner, simpler, and more sustainable.